Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. अस्सलाम वालेकुम अज़ीज़ तलबा तालिबात, सर अब्दुल सत्तार खान इस यूट्यूब चैनल में आप तमाम का इस्तकबाल है। 10th इंग्लिश फर्स्ट टर्म सॉल्व पेपर क्वेश्चन आंसर फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर एग्जामिनेशन 10th का क्वेश्चन पेपर है 80 नंबरात के लिए। चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं। सेक्शन 1 लैंग्वेज स्टडी क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 ए डू एज डायरेक्टेड अटेम्प्ट एनी फॉर 8 मार्क्स। पहला है कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग वर्ड्स बाय यूजिंग करेक्ट लेटर्स टू पुट द फॉलोइंग वर्ड्स इन अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर। एपिक, राइट, एबल, हार्ट, पैशन, प्रोफाउंड, प्रीमियर, पेन। थर्ड है पंक्चुएट द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस। व्हाट्स डैट सेड कमल किशोर, मे बी यू आर राइट मटर्ड रामलाल। Make 4 words minimum 3 letters each using the letters in the word granddaughter. Question number 5 है write the related words as shown in the example. Country, rich country. Complete the following word chain of verbs. Add 4 words each beginning with the last letter of the previous letter. Speak. आंसर से क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का ए है स्टार्ट, स्लेव, ग्रेट, फोर्स। सेकंड का आंसर है एबल, एपिक, हार्ट, राइट, पेन, पैशन, प्रीमियर, प्रोफाउंड। थर्ड का आंसर है पहला है व्हाट्स डैट सैड कमल किशोर। सेकंड का आंसर है मे बी यू आर राइट मटर्ड रामलाल। फोर्थ का आंसर है वन ग्रैंड, सेकंड डॉटर, थर्ड रैन, फोर्थ राडार। फिफ्थ का आंसर है कंट्री, रिच कंट्री, डेवलपिंग कंट्री, डेवलप्ड कंट्री, लार्ज कंट्री, नेबरिंग कंट्री। सिक्स का आंसर है स्पीक, कीप, पुट, टेक, अर्न। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का बी है डू एज डायरेक्टेड 2 मार्क्स। 1 है अटेम्प्ट एनी वन, मेक मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंस बाय यूजिंग द फ्रेज टू विश फॉर और एड अ क्लॉज टू एक्सपैंड द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस मीनिंगफुली, you will get success. 2 है attempt anyone, add a prefix or suffix to make new words. Complete, lucky or make a meaningful sentence using any one of the following words. Complete, lucky. आंसर है क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का बी है। पहले का आंसर है ए आई विश फॉर अ बेटर वर्ल्ड टू लिव इन और यू विल गेट सक्सेस इफ यू वर्क हार्ड। 2 का ए है कंप्लीट, इनकम्प्लीट, लकी, अनलकी और बी आई वॉन्ट टू कंप्लीट माई असाइनमेंट सून। आई एम लकी डैट आई हैव सच ग्रेट पेरेंट्स। सेक्शन सेकेंड टेक्सचुअल पैसेजेस है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का ए है रीड द फॉलोइंग पैसेज एंड डू द एक्टिविटीज 10 मार्क्स। A1 एक्टिविटी है कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस। द राइटर ऑफर्ड द बेबी लंगूर। Second, the baby langur was in a state of dash. Third है the mother langur was sitting on their dash. Fourth है splashes of cold water made the baby dash. I took the baby langur to our backyard and gently laid him on the floor inside the poultry coop. His body was full of deep bite marks and scratched. Blood was oozing from some of the wounds. The baby remained motionless. My father provided first aid to clean the wounds and stop the bleeding. I was relieved to find out that the baby was breathing, even though his breaths were shallow. Splashes of cold water made the baby stir, and after a few shaky attempts, he sat up. He was in a state of shock and started trembling like a leaf in the wind. His 2 little twinkling eyes welled up with tears and he started to sob with a muffled cry, just like a human child would after experiencing trauma. I offered him a peeled banana which he accepted with his unsteady hand and began taking hesitant bites. My attention was fixed on the revival of the baby langur. Suddenly I had an uncanny feeling of being watched. I turned away from the coop and looked up. There sat the mother langur on our kitchen roof, watching every move I made. She simply sat there quietly, as if convinced that no harm was being done to her child. A2 है arrange the following events as per their sequence. पहला है writer's father provided first aid to clean the wounds. 2. After a few shaky attempts the baby langur sat up. 3. The writer turned away from the coop. 4th, the writer took the baby langur to their backyard. A3 है match the synonyms. A. Trauma. 2. Coop. 3. Star. 4. Motionless. A4 do as directed. The baby remained motionless. Make negative without changing the meaning. 2 has she simply sat there quietly. Choose correct question tag. Doesn't she? Didn't she? Wasn't she? Don't she? A5 है how will you help an injured bird animal. इसके आंसर्स है क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का ए है A1 द राइटर ऑफर्ड द बेबी लंगूर अ पील्ड बनाना. 2. The baby langur was in a state of shock. 3. The mother langur was sitting on their kitchen roof. 4th, splashes of cold water made the baby stir. A2 में यहाँ सीक्वेंस है. 4th पहले आएगा the writer took the baby langur to their backyard. फर्स्ट आएगा writer's father provided first aid to clean the wound. सेकंड आएगा after a few shaky attempts the baby langur sat up. थर्ड आएगा द राइटर टर्न अवे फ्रॉम द कूप. A3 का आंसर है पहला है ट्रॉमा ग्रेट डिस्ट्रेस. सेकंड है कूप केज फॉर पोल्ट्री. थर्ड है स्टर मूव. 4 है मोशनलेस स्टिल. A4 है द बेबी डिडंट मूव और द बेबी डिड नो मूवमेंट्स. 2 का है शी सिंपली सैट देयर क्वाइटली डिडंट शी. A5 है if I find an injured animal, I will pick it up tenderly and bring it to my home carefully. I will put some drops of water in its mouth to make it fresh. I will examine its injury and apply antiseptic ointment to its injured part and bandage it without hurting it. When it is a little bit comfortable, I will provide it water and food. Then I shall keep it in a small basket with cotton spread in it. I will see to it that it is safe in the place. I will take its care till it has enough strength or till it is fully recovered from the injury. Question number 2 का B है read the following passage and do the activities. Write whether the following sentences are true or false. पहला है quantifying goals provides specific ways to track progress against goals. Second है setting goals that can't be completed in the designated period of time. Third का है it is important to create goals that are within one's current skill set or area of expertise. Fourth का आंसर है being realistic will make it difficult to be successful at attaining goal. Smart goals have a specific rubric. Specific involves identifying a specific area for improvement. The more specific the area, the more refined the achievement of one's goal can be. It makes it easier to set parameters and work towards the goal. For example, if it is building a house, what exactly is the capacity required and how long can it stretch? Measurable quantifying goals provides specific ways to track progress against goals. This makes it easy to benchmark performance throughout the goal period, including areas to improve. While playing football, one's exact role and position has to be clearly defined. Achievable setting goals that can be completed in the designated period of time. Often these goals may act like stepping stones to help meet broader goals that further define a career. As students, we can't become a president, a prime minister, but can hope to reach those heights in future. Fourth है realistic. It is important to create goals that are within one's current skill set or area of expertise. Building expertise takes time, so expecting to become an expert in a short amount of time is unrealistic. Being realistic will make it easy to be successful at attaining goals. If defensive and not aggressive, The goal perhaps lacks realism. We must have the clear picture in mind and must have the ability to adhere to that picture. B2 है how does quantifying goals help us. B3 cross the odd man out. Involve, provide, important, create, specific, realistic, defensive, capacity, performance, achievement, aggressive, precedent, clearly, lucky, freely, exactly, do as directed. It is important to create goals. Pick out the infinitive from the sentence. These goals may act like stepping stones. Pick out the present participle from the sentence. B5 है why is it necessary to set our goals realistic. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 बी के आंसर्स है B1 पहले का है ट्रू, सेकंड फॉल्स, थर्ड ट्रू, फोर्थ फॉल्स. B2 quantifying goals help us to provide detailed and exact ways to track progress against goals. This makes it easy to benchmark performance throughout the goal period, including areas to improve. In the game of football, the player's exact role and position has to be clearly defined. V3 इन्वॉल्व, प्रोवाइड, क्रिएट सही है, इम्पॉर्टेंट इसमें से ऑड है. सेकंड है स्पेसिफिक, रियलिस्टिक, डिफेंसिव, इसमें से कैपेसिटी, ये ऑड है. परफॉर्मेंस, अचीवमेंट, प्रेसिडेंट, इसमें से एग्रेसिव, ये ऑड है. क्लियरली, फ्रीली, एग्जैक्टली, इसमें से लकी, ये ऑड है. B4 में इन्फिनिटिव है टू क्रिएट और प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल है स्टेपिंग. B5 it is important to create goals that are within your current skill limits. You must be an expert in the area you have undertaken. Your approach towards your goal must be realistic and positive. You must have to work hard and know how and when you can attain the goals. सेक्शन थर्ड पोएट्री है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 का ए है रीड द फॉलोइंग एक्सट्रैक्ट एंड डू द एक्टिविटीज. A1 choose the correct alternatives and complete the sentences. पहला है according to the poet dash are brought by each new day. Second है we must decide to take the road which leads to dash. Poem है each day brings new beginnings, decisions I must make. I am the only one to choose the road that I will take. I can choose to take the road of life that leads to great success or travel down the darkened road that leads to great distress. Complete the web. The road of life leads to A3 name the figures of speech, decisions I must make, travel down the darkened road. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 ए के आंसर्स है. A1 है अकॉर्डिंग टू द पोएट न्यू बिगिनिंग्स आर ब्रॉड बाय ईच न्यू डे. 2 है वी मस्ट डिसाइड टू टेक द रोड विच लीड्स टू ग्रेट सक्सेस. A2 है द रोड ऑफ लाइफ लीड्स टू ग्रेट सक्सेस और ग्रेट डिस्ट्रेस. A3 है डिसीजंस आई मस्ट मेक, इन्वर्जन, ट्रैवल डाउन द डार्कन रोड, एलिट्रेशन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 का बी है एप्रिसिएशन ऑफ द पोएम. रीड द फॉलोइंग पोएम एंड राइट इट्स एप्रिसिएशन विद द हेल्प ऑफ द गिवन पॉइंट्स. ओ मून गिव मी मूनलाइट, बास्केटफुल और 2 baskets full, with seeds of moonlight from the city to my village. On the sides of the path I want to sow many small small moons of light. The whole village goes to the city daily to work. It becomes dark on its way back. As my village is quite far, the route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Neither bus nor cart plies. When my father returns home, I am asleep, and he goes back early in the morning while I am sleeping. O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight on loan. I want to light the dark road so that my father returns early. I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight. I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path. सुनील शर्मा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 के बी का आंसर है Title of the poem Basketful of Moonlight. Name of the poet Sunil Sharma. Rhyme scheme. There is no rhyme scheme in the poem. This poem is written in free verse without meter or regular division of stanzas. Figures of speech, repetition, alliteration, apostrophe. Theme, central idea. The central idea of the poem is the loneliness of a child in a remote village untouched by the modern amenities. The child is too far from the modern urban life that even his remedy for the plight of his village seems quite innocent and plain. Question number 4 का ये है, read the following passage and do the activities. A1, fill in the blanks. Dash wastes are not being managed properly. Dash of garbage is one of the most important services. Third है, at present dash of Delhi's landmass is being choked by the garbage. Fourth, dash are managing solid waste for at least 25,000 dailyties. It is obvious from the visible garbage around us that solid wastes are not being managed properly. However, housing colonies are the most disorganized sector as far as garbage is concerned. As a result, the legal garbage dumps are overflowing and the number of illegal garbage dumps in the by lanes, parks and roadsides are on the increase in most colonies of Delhi and for that matter in all Indian cities. At present, 5% of Delhi's landmass is being choked by the garbage. This 5% has become a wasteland. Its utility is steadily declining and soil quality is deteriorating. Besides being eyesores, these garbage dumps pose health and environment hazard for the 10 million people who live in Delhi. They are breeding grounds for the germs of infectious diseases like plague, tuberculosis, dysentery, diarrhea, eye infections, and numerous skin ailments. Scientific management of garbage thus is one of the most important services that need to be regularized in all residential colonies. After exploring all viable solutions to this problem, I have successfully launched an indigenous scheme cleaning bridges cleaning brigades in many colonies of Delhi. The cleaning brigades are managing solid waste for at least 25,000 dailyties. A year and a half back, the first cleaning brigade was launched during the Asiad. Since then, it has been constantly expanding. A2 है complete the web. Ill effects of garbage. A3, find from the passage the antonyms of invisible problems, legal, inclining. A4, do as directed. These garbage dumps pose health and environment hazard. Rewrite the sentence using as well as. Second, the first cleaning brigade was launched during the Asiad. Frame a question to get the underlined part as an answer. A5, personal response. Suggest any 4 solutions for overcoming the problem of garbage. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 के एक आंसर्स है A1, सॉलिड वेस्ट आर नॉट बीइंग मैनेज्ड प्रॉपरली. सेकंड है साइंटिफिक मैनेजमेंट ऑफ गार्बेज इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट सर्विसेज. थर्ड, एट प्रेजेंट 5% ऑफ Delhi's लैंड मास इज बीइंग choked by garbage. Fourth है the cleaning brigades are managing solid waste for at least 25,000 dailyties. A2 है ill effects of garbage. Land becomes a wasteland. Soil quality deteriorates. Land becomes a breeding grounds for germs of infectious diseases. It poses health and environmental hazards. A3 है invisible, visible, problems, solutions, legal, illegal, inclining, declining. A4 है these garbage dumps pose health as well as environment hazard. Second है when was the first cleaning brigade launched. A5 solutions for overcoming the problem of garbage are wet garbage and dry garbage should be managed at individual level. Second है strict rules should be implemented for the people who do not follow the rules of garbage management. Third है there should be a ban on the things like plastic, thermocol, etc. and promote use of cloth bags. Fourth है awareness about the management of the garbage to be given to the people in the society. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का बी है समरी राइटिंग. Read the passage given in question number 4A and write the summary of it. Suggest a suitable title to your summary. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 के बी का आंसर है क्लीनलीनेस मटेरियल मार्शल्स ऑफ दिल्ली. Disposal of garbage is a matter of great concern in all the Indian cities, especially in most colonies of Delhi. This is because of large-scale mismanagement of garbage disposal. According to statistics, 5% of Delhi's landmass is being choked by garbage, thus turning the land into a wasteland. Not only this, the locality is threatened with various environmental hazards, leading to unhygienic living conditions. The local people thus becoming victims to diseases like tuberculosis, dysentery, and numerous skin ailments. The need of the hour is to adopt scientific ways of garbage management. After detailed research, I zeroed on an indigenous scheme deputing cleaning brigades in many colonies of Delhi. The first batch was launched during the Asiad. Since its inception, it has been constantly expanding. Today, they are managing solid waste for at least 25,000 Delhi. It is an incredible job. Hats off to these cleanliness marshals. Section 5 Writing Scale. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 का ए है लेटर राइटिंग. A1 इनफॉर्मल लेटर और A2 फॉर्मल लेटर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 का ए है लेटर राइटिंग. A1 और A2 डू एनी वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. सपोज यू आर रमेश पल्लवी चौहान फ्रॉम साई सदन Renapur. Read the advertisement given below and attempt any one of the letters given below it. Tree plantation drive, an initiative by Nagar Panchayat Renapur. Let's plant on 15th July 2020 at government schools, colleges, hospitals, streets and Nagar Panchayat. Target 500 saplings. Duration 1 day. Time 9 am to 5 pm. Plant a tree on your birthday and watch it grow with you. Come join us. Write to us for voluntary registrations. Address Nagar Panchayat, Main Road, Renapur. Advantages of tree plantation. Tree provides shade and fruits. Trees control soil erosion. Trees provide habitat for wildlife. Trees act as windbreak. Trees breathe in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. A1 informal letter. Write a letter to your best friend encouraging him/her to take part in the tree plantation drive. Remind him/her about his/her birthday is on the same eventful day. Tell him/her the advantages of the drive. Or A2 formal letter. Write a letter to the organizer of the event requesting him/her to register your name as a volunteer. Also inquire about the following things: types of trees, snacks, refreshment during the event, certificate of the event, add your own points. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 ए का आंसर है इनफॉर्मल लेटर. पल्लवी चौहान साई सदन एट पोस्ट रेनापुर तालुका चिपलून डिस्ट्रिक्ट रत्नागिरी. 5th February 2020. Dear Shilpa, I received your letter yesterday and happy to know your love and affection towards nature. I know your birthday falls on 15th February and you plant a tree every year and take care of it. This year I am going to bring you a big opportunity to work as a volunteer in a tree plantation drive. Recently I read a handbill circulated by Nagar Panchayat Renapur. They are arranging a tree plantation drive on your birthday on 15th February and planting around 500 saplings at government schools, colleges, hospitals, streets and Nagar Panchayat from 9 am to 5 pm. I know you will be very happy to join in this drive initiated by Nagar Panchayat Renapur. It is a big opportunity for you to be an eyewitness of tree plantation on your birthday and I know you will enjoy the event. You already know how important trees are. They provide shade and fruits, control soil erosion, provide habitat for wildlife, act as a windbreak and balance carbon dioxide and oxygen. If you want to gift all those things to the nature on your birthday, kindly register yourself as a volunteer for the drive. I am always with you to support. Convey my regards to uncle and aunt and love to little Yatin. Hope we will meet on the day of your birthday with a broad outlook for the nature. I am a phone call away to know your decision. Your loving friend Pallavi Chavan. A2 formal letter Pallavi Chavan, Sai Sadan at Post Renapur, Taluka Chiplon, District Ratnagiri. 5th February 2020. To the organizer, Tea Plantation Drive, Nagar Panchayat, Renapur, District Ratnagiri. Sub registration as a volunteer. Respected sir, I read the handbill circulated by you about tree plantation drive, which is to be taken place on 15th February 2020. It is really a good initiative taken by you to protect trees and help the nature to grow. I am one of the trees lovers who knows the benefits of planting trees and its usefulness to the surrounding areas. I always have a love and affection towards trees, so when I read about your tree plantation drive, I decided to be a part of it as a volunteer. It is really a big opportunity for me to be an eyewitness of planting 500 saplings. It is really a great joy to see the plant or tree growing so sown or planted by us. Kindly register my name as a volunteer for this tree plantation drive and help me to contribute for the nature. I would also like to know whether you are honoring with the certificate of participation or not. Are you going to make an arrangement of snacks, refreshments during the event? Hope you will intimate me about my registration as early as possible. Thanking you, yours sincerely, Pallavi Chavan. B1 है dialogue writing. Question number 5. B1 or B2. Do any one of the following. Prepare a dialogue from the jumbled sentences. A. Could you finish all the questions in time? B. Question number 5 and 6 are were difficult for me. A. Which questions were difficult for you? B. Yes, I could. Second, I complete the dialogues. A. Do you like to hear bedtime stories? B. Dash. A. Which stories do you like to hear the most? B. Dash. Question number 3. Write a dialogue on preparation for the exam between you and your friend. Minimum 3 meaningful exchanges. B2 drafting a speech. Imagine that you are the captain of Kho team of your school. You are asked to deliver a speech on hard work, a key to success. Use the following points in your draft. Hard work, no shortcuts to success. Stay motivated, set a goal. Proper planning, consistency, perseverance. Answer number है क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 का B1 dialogue writing. A. Could you finish all the questions in time? Yes, I could. Which questions were difficult for you? Question number 5 and 6 were difficult for me. Second, do you like to hear bedtime stories? B. Yes, I like them very much. A. Which stories do you like to hear the most? B. I like to hear adventure stories the most. Third है preparation for the examination. Hi Deepu, how is your preparation for the coming exam? Deepu, almost everything is done. Last minute preparation is going on. That's great. How do you do this? Deepu, I read each and every chapter of every subject and try to solve the activities given in it for practice. That's really useful. I will do the same. Thanks for these tips. Deepu, you are welcome and wish you all the best for preparation and exams too. Thanks a lot and wish you the same. Or B2 hard work a key to success Hello, my dear teammates and friends. We are going to play the final Kabaddi match at state level, so kindly pay attention to what I am going to tell. You have been putting your heart and soul, and I am aware about it. All of you know that the achievements without hard work is impossible. Nothing is easy to be achieved in life without doing our hard work. Thomas Edison, the great scientist, worked for 24 hours, 21 hours a day. Mahatma Gandhi worked day and night for the freedom of our country. There were no holidays in their calendar. So we should follow their example and stay motivated. We need to have proper planning to achieve our set goal. Everyone is well prepared here, so we want to be very much alert in every situation. Very few days are left for the final. You might have heard that the constant vigilance and preparedness to work is the price we have to pay for the success in life. We want to make efforts endlessly. There should be a continuous practice and perseverance in our effort to achieve a great success. To all of us, we need to focus on our goal. With our good coordination and self discipline, I know we can do anything on the ground for a team. I hope all of you are ready to enjoy the joy and pleasure of victory. So keep away from flattery, favoritism, egotism, and concentrate on you own game and effort. Success will be ours. Thank you very much and wish you all the very best in the forthcoming matches. Thank you. Question number 6, A, information transfer. A1 or A2, do any one of the following activities. A1, non-verbal to verbal. Read the information given in the table. Write a paragraph based on it. Give a suitable title to it. Summer, rainy season, winter. Duration, February to May, June to September, October to January. Climate, very hot, cloudy, chilly cold, cold. Festivals, fairs, meals, Gauri and Ganesh festival, Deepavali, Dashera. Work of farmers, ploughing fields, sowing seeds, or A2, verbal to non-verbal. Read the information given below and represent it in the form of tree diagram. Give a suitable title to it. There are two classes of sugar, natural sugar and processed sugar. What the common man uses is generally processed sugar. Fructose, glucose, and maple syrup are natural sugars. Maple syrup is very popular in America. It can be purchased from health food shops. Another natural sugar is honey, which is available in many forms and flavors. Processed sugar, raw cane sugar, white sugar, and soft brown sugar can be classified according to the stages in the process at which they are produced in the refineries. Raw cane sugar is an early stage in the process of making white sugar. It is of two types, Barbados and Demerara. Soft brown sugar is made from either raw cane or white sugar. White sugar is the most widely consumed sugar. Sugar granules, icing sugar, cube sugar, castor are some of the various kinds available in the market. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 ए का आंसर है A1, नॉन वर्बल टू वर्बल. सीजन्स इन इंडिया. Seasons refer to the different times of the year that are precipitated by a difference in climate, weather, and therefore the activities that people can engage in also differ. There are three main seasons in India: summer, rainy, and winter. Summer, which is called pre-monsoon season, which starts from February and ends in May. This is the hottest season in which different fairs and melas are held. Farmers do the ploughing work and get ready for the monsoon. Monsoon is the second season in India, going from June through September. The climate is cloudy and wet everywhere. People celebrate different festivals like Gauri and Ganesh Chaturthi. Farmers sow their seed and wait for harvest. Winter is the third season which sets in around the month of October and ends in January. It is the coldest season, therefore, people wear warm clothes. People celebrate Deepavali and Dashera in this season. Farmers get their harvest and sow the seeds. Seasons in India are the most anticipated occasions as they are used to capitalize on the different activities for the different times of the year. A2 का आंसर है वर्बल टू नॉन वर्बल। पहला है क्लासेस ऑफ शुगर। नेचुरल शुगर, प्रोसेस्ड शुगर। नेचुरल शुगर है फ्रुक्टोज, ग्लूकोज, मेपल, हनी। मेपल पॉपुलर इन अमेरिका, हनी मेनी फॉर्म्स एंड फ्लेवर्स। प्रोसेस्ड शुगर है रॉ केन शुगर, अर्ली स्टेज ऑफ वाइट शुगर, सॉफ्ट ब्राउन शुगर, वाइट शुगर। इसको फर्दर डिवाइड करेंगे, बारबाडोस और डमेरेरा, रॉकेन, वाइट शुगर। वाइडली कंज्यूम्ड शुगर ग्रैन्यूल्स, आइजिंग शुगर, क्यूब शुगर, कैस्टर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 का बी है एक्सपैंड द थीम। B1 और B2। B2 में है न्यूज़ रिपोर्ट और डेवलप अ स्टोरी। डू एनी वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग। B1 न्यूज़ रिपोर्ट। Read the following headline and prepare a news report with the help of the given points. 10-year-old saves a drowning girl. Headline, date, line, intro, short continuing paragraph. Or B2 developing a story. Develop a story with the following beginning. Suggest a suitable title. Once there was a poor boy named Sumit. He had a rich friend Rohit. They were। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 बी का आंसर है B1 10-year-old saves a drowning girl। ये हेडलाइन है नाशिक 26 जुलाई a 10-year-old boy from Nashik is being hailed as a hero after he helped a 4-year-old girl from drowning at his apartment complex pool yesterday. I went underwater and then I swam around. Then I saw her and I thought she was playing around, Pratik Patil said. But 4-year-old Mukta wasn't playing around. She had wandered into the deep of the pool and couldn't swim. Pratik found her unconscious at the bottom. He went down and pulled her out with all his might. They called for help. With the help of the people around, she was given first aid. When the girl started to cough and opened her eyes, everyone was happy. By then, her parents also reached the spot and praised Pratik for his great deed, and then Mukta was taken to the hospital. The secretary of the complex, the local police inspector, and the people from the complex praised Pratik and was felicitated with loads of gifts. It was indeed a memorable incident for him. Or B2 a friend in need is a friend indeed. Once there was a poor boy named Sumit. He had a rich friend Rohit. They were very close with each other from their school days. Rohit was a spoiled kid of a rich businessman and Sumit was a cultured boy from a farmer's family. They studied together up to their graduation. After finishing his graduation, Sumit started working as a clerk in one of the credit societies which was run by Rohit's father. He was happy with the job, but one of the employees who was not happy with Sumit's appointment started troubling him, insulting him, and blaming him unnecessarily. One day he kept some money in Sumit's bag and told everyone that Sumit has stolen the money from the counter. The news reached Rohit and his father, but Rohit was sure that his friend would not do such kind of mischief. So he checked the CCTV cameras in which the employee was found red-handed for blaming Sumit. He was terminated immediately and Sumit was promoted in his place as a chief accountant. Section 7 Skill Development. Question number 7 Translation. Section 6 Translate the following words into your medium of instruction. 1. Success. 2. Test. 3. Common. 4. Happy. 5. Market. 6. Difficult. B. Translate the following sentences into your medium of instruction. 1. Trees are our best friends. 2. Reading books is a good habit. 3. I like comedy movies. 4. India is my country. सी है ट्रांसलेट द फॉलोइंग idioms proverbs into your medium of instruction. फर्स्ट है सर्विस टू मैन इज सर्विस टू गॉड। सेकेंड है अ स्टिच इन टाइम सेव्स 9। इसके आंसर्स है, एक आंसर है सक्सेस कामयाबी, कॉमन आम, मार्केट बाजार, टेस्ट आजमाइश, हैप्पी खुश, डिफ़िकल्ट मुश्किल। बी के आंसर्स है, पहला है दरख्त हमारे बेहतरीन दोस्त हैं, दूसरा किताबें पढ़ना एक अच्छी आदत है, तीसरा मुझे मुज़ाहिया फिल्में पसंद हैं, चौथा भारत मेरा देश है। सी पहला है खिदमत खल्क़ी खिदमत खालिक है, दूसरा वक्त पर की गई एक तदबीर आगे की 100 मुसीबतों से नजात देती है। उम्मीद है आपको हमारा वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। अगले वीडियो में दोबारा मुलाकात होगी। खुदा हाफिज़।